Hello everybody, welcome back to SEBA Math Lab, and as always, today we're going to learn about area of a circle. We're going to learn about how to do area, some real life examples, radius and diameter, and what is a circle. So if you don't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, it'll be really nice. What is a circle? A circle is a flat round shape with no corners. So for example, this. You see how it doesn't have any edges like a square or any diagonal lines like a parallelogram? That's just what a circle is, just flat and round. Now that we know what a circle is, now we got to learn about the radius and diameter. Well, what is radius and what is a diameter? Well, radius is half the length of a circle and diameter is the actual length of the circle. So here, let me show you. So let's say this is a circle. The diameter is a straight line through it. Okay, guys? And then the radius is half of that. So this is the radius, and this is the diameter. All right, guys? The long line, the diameter. The short line, the 1.5, is the radius. Well, now that we know what is radius and diameter, now let's learn how to do the area of it. Now, R2, which just means radius times radius, we do that first. Then we multiply it by pi, which is 3.14. All right, guys? Now, let's say this is the circle. This is the diameter, but the radius is 3. Now we do 3 times 3, because it's radius squared. That equals to 9. Then we multiply it by 3.14, which is pi, which equals 28.26 if I stand corrected. Some real life examples. Here's 2 of them. When you are landscaping a garden and that's shaped as a circle, let's say one of those gardens in your front yard, you will need to find the area to determine how much soil you need, how much things you need. That's just what it is. Then when you're baking pie and you need to know the area of the pie so you'll fit it in the dish that you're trying to put in the oven. All right, guys, let's say it's a 2x4 or something like that. It's question time. Answer the area of the circle. The diameter is 8, so don't forget pi, 3.14. I know you guys are going to get this answer right. Give it a good try. Great job, guys. I know you guys got it right. So let us not forget the formula. R2 times pi. Okay, guys? So if you guys don't know what this symbol is, it's just the symbol for pi, like this. All right, guys? Now, what's half of 8? Because the radius is half the diameter. So 8.5 is 4. So then we got to do 4 times 4 because radius squared, which equals 16. Then we do 16 times pi, 3.14, which equals, if I'm not wrong, 50.24. All right, guys? So good job. I know you guys got the answer right. Summary. Today we learned about area of circle. We did some real life examples. We learned about diameter and radius and what is a circle. So great job for watching. Thank you. And as always, subscribe and like for more math mysteries. And we're out. SEBA Math Lab.